Blueberry walnut muffin tops are rustic cakes bursting with blueberries and a moist crumb. Adding a maple cinnamon drizzle icing makes them hard to resist. The best walnut flavor comes from fresh walnuts, so to make a pint or about 2 cups of a sweet raisin walnut milk, soak 60 grams or a half cup of walnuts overnight. The next day rinse the walnuts and blend with 375 grams fresh water and 50 grams raisins, then strain through a nut milk bag. Stored in the refrigerator, raisin walnut milk will be at its best for 3 or 4 days. To make 6 blueberry walnut muffin tops, prepare your pan with butter and a dusting of flour and scale the wet and dry ingredients separately. For the dry ingredients, mix 115 grams flour, 80 grams sugar, 25 grams brown sugar, 2 grams baking powder, and a gram of salt, leaving a little well in the center for the wet ingredients. Then mix with a fork 2 eggs, 25 grams walnut oil, 60 grams walnut raisin milk, and pour into the well. Next, mix to combine using the muffin method, which is to fold the dry into the wet ingredients using less than 20 strokes, being careful not to overmix. Then refrigerate the batter for up to 2 days or portion the batter into the prepared pan. Divide 90 grams of blueberries equally between them and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve the blueberry walnut muffin tops the same day they are baked as is or with maple cinnamon drizzle icing. To make 3 ounces of drizzle icing, start with cinnamon icing sugar, which is to pulverize 100 grams of turbinado sugar with 10 grams of Ceylon cinnamon to a fine powder using a spice mill, and sift through a fine mesh sieve. Then boil 50 grams of maple syrup for a few minutes until thick. Add 5 grams of vanilla extract and pour over 50 grams of turbinado Ceylon cinnamon icing sugar. Then mix until the sugar is dissolved and mix in 25 grams melted butter with a few drops of hot water until the icing is smooth, and spread a generous layer over top.